Students, welcome you all in 14th chapter of our social studies. The chapter name is Unity in Diversity. As we know, student, India is such a country where the peoples of different religions are living and following the different traditions and culture. In this chapter, we are going to learn about people of different territories of India, their languages, their food habits, festivals, appearance, clothing. So, without delaying, let's start the chapter. India is a land of great diversity in which people with different occupations, languages, cultures, and festivals live together. The lifestyle of Indians is greatly influenced by its physical and climate features. So, as we know, India has the different physical features, and in each and every part of Indian states has the different climates also. So physical features of India and climates of India, different physical features and climates of India greatly influenced the life of the people. Let's read about it. First one given, the people of the northern mountains. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and the northern state lies in this region. So, which are the states that belongs to northern mountains? Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and the north state are the part of northern mountains. The northern eastern states also called the Seven Sisters, including Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, and Meghalaya. So the northern state also called the Seven Sisters, and when they call the Seven Sisters, when it include Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, and Meghalaya. The population of Himalayan region is about 40 millions, and the populations of Himalaya region is about approximately 40 millions. Agriculture, animal rearing, keeping animal for food and for meat and milk, and also weaving and wood carving, making designs, very beautiful things by carving out of the wood are the main occupations of this region. So peoples are doing the agriculture work or the cultivations work, and after cultivations work they are also doing other work or other occupations, other professions, and they are the weaving work or wood carving work, and another one mentioned here, animal rearing. Fruits and wools are sent to all part of the country from the northern eastern state, and fruits that are available in our market, in our nearest market, and woolen clothes we are wearing, especially in winter seasons, that's sent to all part of our country from the northern state of our country. In Jammu and Kashmir, the weather remains very cold. Both men and women wear firan. Firan is the clothing style or clothes that are the loose gown worn by the Kashmiri men and women, that known as the firan. In Himachal Pradesh, women wear kurta, chudidar, pajamas, long coats, and the world famous Kulu cap. People of other parts of this region wear their native dresses and follow their own customs. So in Jammu and Kashmir, the weather remains very cold. The weather remains very cold means during the last time or vast time of the years, here peoples are feeling very cold. Both men and women both wear the firan, similar kinds of clothes or loose gown. In Himachal Pradesh, women wear kurta, chudidar, pajama, long coats, and the world famous Kulu cap. Kulu cap is famous all over the world, that owned by the peoples of Himachal Pradesh. People of other parts of this region wear their native dresses and follow their own customs, and peoples of the other part of this region, they wear their native dresses and also they follow their own customs. Here the languages spoken are Hindi, Urdu, Devgiri, Kumaoni, then Garhwali. Festivals Eid, Diwali, Dasera, Shivratri, they observed or they celebrated the festival. Their food habits, in their food habits, they ate yakni, shikyu, tupka, dom olive, whey, butter, tea. These are their basic foods or the main foods that they are having. The people of Northern Plains. Northern Plains cover the region of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, part of Bihar and Assam. So this part of our country included the areas Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, part of Bihar, Punjab, Haryana and Assam. The land in the northern plains of India is fertile, means suitable for agriculture work or the cultivations work, and supports a large populations. As in our previous chapter we learned that this area has the fertile soils, and as this area has the fertile soils, that's why peoples are or the dense populations we are getting there, and the dense populations are engaged in agriculture work, and as rivers are flowing in this area, so some industries are also man industries are also in this part of our country. So this area supports a large populations. Agriculture is the main occupations of the people here, and peoples are doing agriculture work or the cultivation work. Basically the main crops grown here are wheat, rice, sugarcane and oil seeds, and the peoples are basically are mainly growing here rice, wheat, sugarcane and oil seeds. There are many industries of leather, metal and cotton. A large number of people are engaged in jobs and various professions, and there are many industries are there. That thing also we learned in our previous chapter, and metal industries are also there, cotton industries are also there. A large number of people are engaged in job of various professions, and a large number of people are engaged in various professions in various occupation. Women in northern plains wear saris, salwar kameez, chudidar, kurta and lehenga choli. Men wear kurta, pajama, long kurta and dhoti kurta, and women in this plain wear sari, salwar kameez, chudidar kurta and lehenga choli, and men wear kurta pajama, long kurta and dhoti kurta. We can also see women and men dressed accordingly to the modern traditions, and they are also following the modern traditions in the or they are also dressed up them according to the modern culture. Languages spoken here are Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Haryanavi, Bengali, Assamese. Festivals, what are the basic festivals or main festivals they are celebrated here are Baisakhi, Guru Parv, Holi, Diwali, Eid, Tej. Then food habit, dal makhani, chole, kandi pakoda, then मच्छी भात, अवधी बिरयानी, naan, parathas, lassis. These are the main foods of the peoples, those who are living in the part of northern plains. The people of peninsular plateau of India. Peninsular plateau of India includes the state Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, this part of India is mostly inhabited or occupied by tribal. Agriculture is the main occupations of the people. Rice, groundnut, cotton, maize, ragi are the main crops grown in this region. So, peninsular plateau of India includes the state of Jharkhand. Jharkhand is also a part of peninsular plateau. Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Chhattisgarh are the part of Indian peninsular plateau. This part of India is mostly inhabited or occupied by the tribals, means tribals peoples are living in this part of our country. Agriculture is the main occupations of the people. Basically, peoples are doing the cultivations work, or they are engaged themselves in the cultivations work. Rice, groundnut, cotton, maize, ragi are the main crops grown in this region. They grown groundnut, cotton, rice, maize, ragi as main crops. In Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, women wear saris and a long skirt with blouse and chunri. Men usually wear lungi and shirt. In Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, women wear saris and a long skirt with the blouse, and also they are wearing the chunri. When they are wearing blouse, with the blouse they are using the chunri, and men's usually wearing lungi and shirt. Languages that here spoken are Marathi, Konkani, Telugu, Kannada and Dakshini. Festivals: Ganesh Chaturthi, Gudi Parva, Cheti Chand, Easter. These are the festivals. And in food habit, they are eating biryani, seafood, pav bhaji, bada pav, dosa, idli, bada masoor pak. The people of Indian dessert. Rajasthan is only state in the desert region. It has a population of about 60 million and is ranked as the 7th populous state in India. So Rajasthan is only one state in the desert region, and it has the populations approximately are about 60 millions, and is ranked as the 7th populous or populated state in India. Agriculture is the main occupations of Rajasthan. Major crops of Rajasthan are jawar, bajra, maize, ragi, rice, wheat and barley. So agriculture is also here main occupations of the peoples, and major crops are grown here are jawar, bajra, maize, ragi, rice, wheat and barley. Rajasthan craft items like tie and dye are admired all over the country, and the works that they are doing tie and dye is the work that the peoples are doing in coloring the clothes or the weaving clothes. At that time they are doing the tie and dye works, and that admire all over the India, all over the country. Marbles and sandstone of Rajasthan are very popular throughout the nation, and marble and sandstone are very popular that belongs to this state of our country, Rajasthan, and throughout the nation, throughout the India, these two things, marble and sandstone, are very popular. Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, has a large number of buildings and that are pink in color, which is why it is called the pink city. And Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, and it has a large number of buildings and that are found in the color pink or in pink color, which is why the Jaipur is known as the pink city. And let's dig out, means and enlarge your ideas. In Rajasthan, each city has color codes. Rajasthan cities has the colors code. Jodhpur is blue, Udaipur is white, and Jaisalmer is in golden, and Jaipur color is pink. Rajasthani women wear Rajasthani men wear dhoti around their waist and angrakha or jacket to cover the upper body. So Rajasthani men wear dhoti around their waist and also in upper side they wear another clothes or jacket, that one is also known as the angrakha, to cover their upper parts of the body. Women wear lehenga, choli and odhani, and women specially wear here lehenga, choli and odhani. Both men and women cover their heads to give protections from the scorching of heat, and both men and women both they cover their heads to give protections from the scorching of the heat. Languages that are spoken here are Marwari and Hindi. Festivals, arts, Tees and Gangoor. Food habits: dal bati churma, lal mas, kher sangri, gati and khichdi kadi are the main foods practice or main foods in this region of our country. The people of coastal plains and islands. The coastline of India is divided into eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain stretches means widespread from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. The coastline of India divided into two parts are into eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain stretch means widespread from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu, and the western coastal plain stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. Some important cities are Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Ernakulam and Thiruvananthapuram, and the most important or some important cities in coastal plains and islands are Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Ernakulam and Thiruvananthapuram. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are located in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. So the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea respectively. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India, and as we know, among the state Goa is the smallest state, and among the union territories Lakshadweep is the smallest territory of India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands shares a dense network of mangroves, and Andaman Nicobar shares a large amount of or a large number of dense network of mangroves. Mumbai is the largest and the most important business center of India, and Mumbai is the largest and also most important business center of India. Kerala is famous for species coconut and rubber plantations, and Kerala is famous for its two kinds are the two kinds of plants. First one is the coconuts and another one is the rubber plantations. Odisha is the center of handicraft and filigree. Filigree means dedicated kind of jewelry metal works, means Odisha is famous for its metal works and jewelry work. Agriculture and fishing are main occupations of the people in coastal plains, means in coastal plains peoples are basically mainly doing agriculture work, cultivation work and fishing. Languages, what are the languages that are spoken here? Odia, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Konkani, Malayalam, Gujarati, English, Portuguese and French are the languages that are spoken here. Festivals, Pongal, Rath Yatra, Durga Puja, Vijayadashmi, Onam, Diwali, Christmas, Ganesh Chaturthi are the festivals that celebrated here. Food habit, in food habit, seafood, rice, fish, uthapam, rasam, idli, vada, dhokla, khandvi are the foods that the peoples practice here. So students, this is all about chapter